Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm so excited. I'm finally going to be filming the November Slay Glam box. It took me a little while to get this box. She went on a little vacation before she decided to come here. So she took a little trip to some other places. She went to DC and stuff before she got to my house. So it was a little bit late getting here. I did get her in last week, but to be honest with you girl, I have just been so sick. I have not felt like filming. So today I was like, I feel like I'm feeling a little bit better. Hopefully this is my rebound week. I was a little MIA in November. I didn't post as much as I usually do. I actually fell and twisted my ankle pretty badly. I'm still limping around on it. So I've been dealing with that. And then of course my daughter got sick. I got sick. So that's been a whole situation. But this is going to be my rebound week. Because I'm so tired of just sitting around and feeling bad. I'm so glad I wanted to do my makeup because I don't know what it is about makeup, but it just physically makes me feel better. I just feel so much better with my face on, if that makes any sense. And I'm loving my base makeup, so I'm excited to try out these products today. I'm going to have all of Slay Glam's information listed below. I also have a discount code if you're interested in getting the box. But yeah, let's just go ahead and jump into it. I'm so excited to try out this eyeshadow palette. I have swatched her, but I haven't used her yet, and she swatches so good. This is the Thankful palette from Chloe Orr. Beautiful. I have like 3 or 4 looks in mind, so I will definitely be doing multiple looks with this palette. So my mother-in-law actually gave me a few things out of her box this month. She gave me this eyeshadow palette, so I still have my eyeshadow palette I'm going to put to the side for a giveaway. She also gave me the Lash Step mascara. This is like a light brown mascara, so I have mine that I'm going to set aside for the giveaway as well. I honestly thought the color was going to be a little bit darker, so I'm a little nervous about this one, but we'll see how she goes. She also gave me her lip gloss, so I'm going to be setting that one aside for a giveaway as well. This lip gloss is really pretty. It's a nudie pink color, so I'm excited to try this one. This highlighter swatched really good too, so I'm excited for this highlighter. I love products from Bobe Beauty. I think they have really good products. And then last but not least, we got this little lip liner from J-Cat Beauty. Now this is a really dark brown, which is nice. So first I'm going to start with my lips. And I'm going to go ahead and start with the J-Cat Beauty lip liner. I've never tried anything from J-Cat Beauty. She glides on so nicely. Love the color. Okay, and then I'm just going to take the Illuminati lip gloss and put in the center. Oh, that's a pretty color. Goes really nicely with that brown lip liner. Then I'll go back with a little more liner. So cute. I love this combo together. It looks really nice. Okay, so next up, let's go ahead and try the highlighter. Now, I do have a liquid highlighter on. I was like getting so much into my makeup that I don't know what I was thinking. I shouldn't have probably used a liquid highlighter underneath. If anything, it will just help enhance it, so. Oh yeah, that is so pretty. Again, I love Bobe Beauty. I think they have some really nice products. I mean, that is stunning highlighter. I love a good bright highlighter, and this one is definitely stunning. I love it. Very smooth on the skin. It's not glittery or chunky at all. And this is in the shade Deep Bronze, so it's supposed to have that like darker tone to it, which is really nice. I appreciate that for the winter months. So let's go ahead and get into the eyeshadow palette. I'm excited for this. I'm just going to smooth out the lids. I already have the lids primed. So I'm just going to start off with this orangey shade right here. And I think I might mix in a little bit of this yellow shade. And I'm just going to put that in the transition. Ooh, that is so pretty. That orange is coming through so bright. Very pigmented, nice and smooth on the lid. Same thing for this side. Oh, that is so pretty. I love this shade. Again, just blending out so nicely. I don't think I was expecting it to be that vibrant, but so good. Now I'm just going to go into this brown shade down here, and I'm going to put that on the outer corner. Same thing for this side. Just want to deepen up this outer corner with that brown. And I am going to bring it around into the crease and blend it in with that orange shade. so pretty. Going back with that first brush and just blending out. These are blending like a dream together. Like I'm barely even doing anything and they're just like, whoop, blending together so nicely. My gosh, that is like so smooth on the lid. And almost no fallout to these, so that's really nice as well. So I'm going to go into this dual chrome up here, and I'm going to add that on the front part of the lid. Ooh, so pretty. That is stunning. Same thing for this side. These really do just apply so nicely to the lid. So now I think I'm going to go into this shade right here and maybe mix in the brown a little. Just want to add that on the outer corner. That like berry tone. Ooh, love that. That looks so pretty. Same thing for this side. Just bringing in that berry tone a little bit. Going back with my very first brush and we're just going to buff out a little bit. Stunning. I mean, that eye look was so simple too. So really quick, I'm just going to go into the highlighter and I'm going to use that on the brow bone and also the inner corner. Go back with the first brush and just blend out. So I'm just going to put a little bit of black eyeliner in the waterline. Okay, so for the lower lash line, I think I'm going to go into this burgundy and brown shade and smoke those two colors underneath the lash line. So now for the mascara, which I'm nervous about, I think I'm just going to put it on the lower lash line first, just to see what it's going to look like. You can't really see it with that burgundy shade. Let me just go ahead and put it on all the lashes just to see what we're working with. I mean, the color is coming up really good, actually. You just really can't see it too much because of the colorful look that I have going on behind it. Maybe if you had something like more neutral on the lid, you would be able to see it better. But it is showing up really nicely on the lashes. So that's a plus for the mascara. It's a little bit light, I think. I wish it was a little darker. So what I'm going to do is just go in with a little bit of my L'Oreal Voluminous Black Mascara. So I just think that it looks better with the black mascara just because it's so colorful. I feel like in order to use this, you're going to have to do something pretty light on the eyes, so that way you can actually see the color of the mascara. But really quick, I'm going to go ahead and set my face, and I actually just got a Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. I've never tried the setting spray before, so I'm going to try it out today. It has a pretty good smell to it. The mister is not really heavy. It's a pretty light mister, so that's pretty nice. Girl, if you know, you know. I love the Milani Make It Last. That will always be one of my favorites, but I've been wanting to try this. I feel like, did it make my makeup look more glowy? I mean, I do have a glowy base on, but I feel like it made me have this like glow from within look. Charlotte, darling. I love it. It actually looks really nice on the skin. Wow. Okay. We'll see how she lasts, but it looks really good. I like the way she made my makeup look. It melted everything together really nicely, so I do like that. Okay, so overall, I absolutely love this Chloe or Thankful palette. It's a beautiful palette. It was super easy to create this look. The colors just melted into each other so nicely. I'm definitely coming back to do another look with this palette. I got a couple looks planned with this one, so I'm excited to come back and use it again. Really nice formula. Absolutely love the Bow Babe Beauty highlighter. I think it is so pretty. I absolutely love it. Very smooth on the skin. Not too crazy about the color. It's not bad, and I do like that it shows up on your lashes a little better. I'm gonna have to play around with this and see if I can come up with a look to where you can actually see the color of the mascara, but not a bad product at all. Love this lip combo. I think it looks absolutely stunning. Goes really nicely with the eyeshadow palette. So overall, 10 out of 10 this month for me on this box. But as always, girl, let me know, what did you think of this month's box down in the comment section? I love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!